We've already had a little bit of a busy day. It's the afternoon and I haven't gotten anything filmed today, but me and Lindsey and a few of the kids are gonna go bomb in on the Keto Chow store and see what we see. Are you ready for that, Levi? We also have dinner at the Bears house tonight, so that will be exciting. Look what we see. Salty Keto Chow. They won't recognize us. We found it. Look at all of it. Look at all of it. Oh, and they're salty over here. They have the little recipe cards for sale. And the boxes.
I'm a bag.
You're a bag?
This is a bag, and that's a box.
That's a fancy box.
And
Oh,
I'm a bag.
I am a bag. Let's restate that one.
What are these?
These are Elite Chow
Oh,
boxes.
July
Elite.
2023.
I mean, I think it has how many? 30 packets.
Oh,
Quick
yeah.
start guide. 2
Ooh,
blender
look at
bottles,
the-
and your supplements. So like fasting drops and
Different books
all those cool
of
things.
recipes. I wanted to show this. These are in-store only. You can't get these online anymore. Pecan sticky bun over here. These are so good.
We have fruity cereal still hanging out.
Yeah, is that one still on the website?
Yes, we do still
have some on the website.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
No.
You're taking pictures of everything?
Yes.
Wow.
No. I didn't take pictures of everything, but I did most of them.
I was just out the Sub-Zero, but no. I
The
see
Keto
it,
Chow fridge. And
No,
there's
the Keto Chow fridge is in the outside.
oh. Well, there's creamies.
There's sufficient eggs
So-
for like a couple days in here. I like it. Oh my
Nicely.
stars.
Oh wow, what a dream. Look at that. Oh, look at it's root beer. You can't get that no more.
You can't get
What?
root beer anymore.
No, root beer.
What was it you said?
You can't get root beer no more.
No more.
No more. No more.
They've
Wow.
got cookies,
Yeah.
Choco Mint.
Snickerdoodle toffee.
Is that original strawberry cheesecake?
Look at all these lids.
Actually, yes, it is. That is original raspberry
Wow.
Okay, I'm digging your storage for your cups.
That is pretty great.
It's very
cheesecake. You like
smart.
how they're kind of pink from being washed along with.
Yep. Looks like you stored spaghetti sauce in it. Yeah.
Yeah.
People are still doing a lot of green.
Nice. Oh wait. Are there any?
Oh my word.
Jeff.
There's so many different looks
Jeff.
in branding.
It's the infamous black licorice.
That's where it all resides now.
I will.
Can
give
I
you
keep
guys,
it?
You can have.
I'm gonna take 2 of that.
Jeff loves black licorice.
Loves it.
What? Loves
Love
it.
black licorice.
Loves it.
Stars.
Look at all this meat.
Canyon Reservoir. I got a green salad too.
Oh, good. Yeah.
I love that. I love those kinds.
Oh. We'll make it's like a salad bar
Yeah.
where you just make your salad.
There's jalapenos in the.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
vegetables.
salad sausage.
Yeah.
As totality started, it peaked through the clouds. Yeah. The entire crowd just.
So we had such a nice evening having dinner over at the Bears house. We got to meet their kids, which was super fun. All of our kids had a fantastic time. It was so nice. And tomorrow we have the Redmond mine tour, the salt mine tour. So we're super excited about that. Going to get up early and get over there. It's going to be a long, full day. Oh, the other thing I wanted to show you was Chris gave me something while we were at their house. I have never tried the licorice flavors of Keto Chow, and he gave me some black licorice.
It's an exciting day. This is black licorice keto chow.
Dun, dun, dun.
Got to shake it up. It's been in the fridge for maybe an hour or two ish, and we're gonna do a taste test. This one is not black. It might be really disturbing if it was black.
It's probably not appealing.
Okay, we need some cups.
It just is more difficult.
What charcoal? The activated charcoal.
Oh yeah.
So you don't even like regular black licorice, right?
No, like.
Oh, you do.
Oh gosh, that's so much.
You're gonna love it. You're gonna want to drink the rest.
I have all kinds
I
of
think it's
feelings
like
in my brain right now. But
You initially,
Alright.
like,
Lauren's like, "Can I taste?"
Then you start. Like it.
All right.
The more you eat it.
You take 2. I'll take 2.
All
All right, ready? We gotta cheers.
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 With
Here's
black
to a new
licorice.
I played a ball game with my friends today. You play?
It's definitely black licorice.
It's not like overpowering
It's
black
creamy
licorice.
black.
It's definitely creamy black licorice. Lindsay, your face says it all.
This is not the one.
At the end, it's really black licorice.
This is not the one.
Yeah, that's not bad. That's not bad. See, you have to like black licorice.
Would you like to play a
The smell
What
was
does this
very
mean, Jared?
floral.
I like it.
You like it?
I do like it.
And you like black licorice already, or no?
I mean, I like it. I'll eat it for sure. I can bring it back.
Oh, it's gonna dribble.
Levi, did you want to taste black licorice? Keto Chow?
Yeah.
Yeah? Here.
Yeah. You should have let Lauren taste it too.
Oh, did,
He brought you flowers.
yeah, he did. You're so sweet. Thank you. What do you think?
Let's taste the licorice.
It tastes like regular licorice?
Yeah.
And is it tasty?
Yeah.
Is that for me?
Yeah.
Thank you. Jeff, we haven't heard your review. Lindsay is a no. Jared is a yes.
I'm a yes.
You're a yes.
It's pretty
Bring it
floral
back,
on
Chris.
the nose.
Bring it back.
It
Yeah.
kind of smelled a
Bring it
little
back for sure.
potpourri-ish
Yeah.
in my nose.
I like it. I really like it.
There's a reason why I stick to blueberry pie and chocolate core with stevia. Because those are my top-notch favorites.
Everyone's got their thing, and that's
Yeah.
okay.
I will say that I appreciated that one. No, I liked pina colada better than that.
Really? Wow.
Yeah.
Not me. No. All right. We're going to have the petition linked below to sign to bring back black licorice.
Bring it
So
back.
make sure you head down there.
It's a trap. Because I don't like it.
It tastes a lot like black licorice, and I really like it.
You do? Okay. So do you think you'd sign the petition to bring it back?
Bring it back just because you.
You want him to bring it back?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.